In this video, I tested every major method people recommended for getting a Nigerian IP address, and one of them almost got my bank account flagged for fraud. See, most guides online tell you to just grab a free proxy or install some random browser extension. But if you're trying to access Nigerian banking apps, DSTV, local streaming platforms, or even just see Nigerian pricing, those methods usually fail instantly. Leak your real IP address or the service detects them and blocks you immediately. So I spent the last 2 weeks testing the VPNs that actually work. And in this video, I'm going to show you which one gave me a clean Nigerian IP, which ones failed the leak test, and which ones I'd personally recommend depending on what you're trying to do. But before you grab anything, let me show you how these actually perform. Then you can decide for yourself. Links in the description whenever you're ready. But keep watching, because the VPN that actually performed best on Nigerian networks might not be the one you're expecting. So here's why I started looking into this in the first place. I was helping someone who had moved abroad but still needed access to Nigerian services, their banking app, a local streaming platform, even some government portals. And every time they tried logging in, the site immediately blocked them because their IP showed they were in another country. And when you Google how to fix this, you mostly find lists of free proxies and sketchy browser extensions. So I tested them and tried 6 of the most recommended ones. 3 of them failed the IP leak test immediately, meaning the website could still see my real IP underneath. 2 of them didn't even have Nigerian servers despite claiming they did, and one of them actually triggered a fraud alert when logging into a banking app. So that's when I switched to proper VPNs. The one's actually built to handle this, and the difference was huge. For each VPN, I tested 4 major things: whether they actually had working Nigerian servers, whether or not the connection leaked my real IP address, if Nigerian streaming services were unblocked, and the speed of the Nigerian servers specifically. Because this is where a lot of VPNs fail. And here's the interesting part. The VPN that actually topped the speed test on Nigerian networks isn't even the most famous one, but I'll get to that in a second. First, let's start with number 3, ProtonVPN. Now, ProtonVPN makes this list for a very specific reason. It's built by the same team behind ProtonMail. It's based in Switzerland, and the entire VPN is open source. That means independent researchers can actually audit the code. For people who care heavily about privacy, that's a big deal. They currently run about 40 Nigerian servers, which is smaller than the other options on this list, but the quality of the connection was solid. I ran Nigerian IP leak tests multiple times, and it passed every single time. Streaming worked as well. Netflix Nigeria loaded normally, DSTV worked, and there were no redirects. Now, where ProtonVPN falls slightly behind is speed and price. During my testing, Nigerian server speeds were noticeably slower compared to the top 2 picks, and their long-term plans are priced higher than budget competitors. That said, ProtonVPN does offer a free tier. It's limited, but if you just occasionally need a Nigerian IP and don't want to pay anything, it's honestly one of the only free VPN options I trust. Right now, ProtonVPN has about 70% off their paid plans with a 30-day refund policy. The link's in the description below, or you can just scan that QR code on screen. Now, remember earlier I mentioned that one VPN absolutely dominated the Nigerian speed test. But before we get to that one, there's another VPN that surprised me, Surfshark. If you're trying to cover a lot of devices, Surfshark is probably the best option on this list. It's the only VPN here that allows unlimited simultaneous connections. That means one subscription can cover your phone, laptop, tablet, smart TV, basically every device in your house at the same time. In my tests, Surfshark kept over 90% of baseline speed on Nigerian servers, which is extremely good. Streaming worked smoothly with no buffering, and the IP leak test came back clean every time. They also run more than 4,500 servers across 100 countries, including Nigeria, obviously. And every server supports P2P traffic. Another feature they include is Camouflage mode, which disguises VPN traffic as normal internet traffic. That can be helpful if you're connecting from places where VPN usage is restricted. Now, there are 2 downsides though. Customer support responses can be sometimes a bit slow, and while the speeds are very good, they weren't quite as consistently fast as the number 1 pick when routing through African networks. Right now, Surfshark has about 60% off plus 3 free months. Links in the description, or again, just scan that QR code. All right, now let's talk about the one that actually came out on top. When I was running these tests, there was one metric that separated the best VPN from the rest, and it wasn't just speed. It was something called server infrastructure on African routes. Most VPNs route African traffic through Europe, which adds latency, but one provider had clearly optimized this much better than the others, NordVPN. And honestly, it wasn't even close in the final speed test. NordVPN runs over 7,600 servers worldwide, including multiple servers optimized for Nigerian routing. During testing, I was seeing about 84% speed retention on Nigerian connections. The highest of any VPN I have tried. In real use, that means videos load instantly, streams don't buffer, and apps like banking portals respond normally without lag. NordVPN also successfully unblocked Netflix Nigeria, BBC iPlayer, and DSTV during testing, and the IP leak tests were clean every time. They also include a feature called threat protection, which blocks ads, trackers, and malicious sites before they even load. And the setup is extremely simple. Download the app, open it, search for Nigeria in the server list, connect, and within about 10 seconds, I'd say, you have a clean Nigerian IP address. And you can verify it on any IP checking website. Now, there are two small things worth mentioning. NordVPN allows up to only 10 simultaneous connections, which is plenty for most people, but if you're trying to cover a very large household, Surfshark's unlimited connections might be better. And their monthly pricing without a long-term deal is higher, which is why I recommend grabbing their current promotion. Right now, NordVPN is offering 74% off plus 3 free months, which is the best price I've seen on it recently. The link is in the description, or you can, again, just simply scan the QR code on screen. So just to recap real quick, if you want the fastest and most reliable Nigerian IP, go with NordVPN. If you want the best budget option with unlimited devices, Surfshark is a great choice. And if privacy and open source transparency are your top priority, ProtonVPN is solid. I've linked all 3 deals in the description, and I also pinned a comment with the links so they're easy to find. I'll see you guys in the next one.